In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a ClickUp plan. We'll walk through where to find the billing area inside ClickUp and how to compare options so you can pick the plan that fits your team's needs and budget. Start from the overview page in your workspace. This is the home base that summarizes what's happening across your spaces and projects. From here, locate My Workspace. You'll usually see it in the left sidebar or near the top navigation. It's the area that controls settings for your entire workspace rather than a single project. Click My Workspace to open the workspace level controls. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon or the Settings label. This is where ClickUp keeps all the administrative options, including permissions, integrations, and most importantly for today, billing and plans. Inside Settings, select Billing. This takes you to the page where you can view your current plan, see how many members are on your subscription, and compare what's included at each level. If you see a highlighted area that summarizes plan details or says something like compare plans or learn more, click that. It opens the detailed breakdown so you can see exactly what changes as you move between tiers. Now look for the option priced at $12 per member per month and click it. Pricing can vary by region or promotions, but this button typically represents a mid-tier plan with more features than the entry level. When you select it, review the feature list that appears, things like advanced views, permissions, automations, or reporting. This is a good time to check whether you need monthly or annual billing. Annual plans are often discounted, but choose what matches your cash flow and commitment. You may also see one plan marked as best or recommended. Click that label to view the details. The recommendation usually reflects the plan most teams choose for value and capability. Still, verify it against your requirements. If your team is small and just getting started, you might not need the most advanced features. If you're scaling and need granular permissions, robust automations, or deeper reporting, the recommended plan may be the right fit. Keep an eye on storage limits, guest access, and admin controls, as these are common differentiators. Finally, click on Enterprise to explore that option. Even if you're not ready for it, it's helpful to see what's included, typically advanced security, custom roles, deeper compliance, and support arrangements tailored to larger organizations. If you're in a regulated industry or need centralized control across many teams, this is worth reviewing. Before you finalize anything, double check the member count, the billing cycle, and the total cost preview on the billing page. When everything looks right, you'll be confident that the plan you select matches your team's goals today and leaves room to grow tomorrow.